Today we're going to cook a Sicilian dish with a secret ingredient.
Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia,
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca.
and in the Tuscan Hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Ciao a tutti! Today we're going to cook a Sicilian dish with a secret ingredient. And I'm going to prepare the secret ingredient straight away because it has to be prepared in advance.
And can I interrupt here?
Yes.
And it seems crazy, but this ingredient, to me, just adds something. When I find it on a dish, I don't know, it just, it adds an amazing something. You wouldn't think it would work, but it does.
I use this ingredient in so many Sicilian dishes. So
What is it?
Yes, I'm going to show you in a minute what it is. Today we go to make pasta alla carrettiera. This is in Italian. In Sicilian we say pasta a carrettiera.
And what does it mean?
Carrettiera is a man riding a cart. So in the time when there are no trucks or lorries, people were moving goods with carts and horses. So it was the old-fashioned lorry man.
And so this was his lunch?
It was his lunch, and they used to take it with them and eating it cold as well. To make a spaghetti alla carrettiera, we need first of all good spaghetti.
Don't forget to look at the protein content.
Yes, how much is this one? If I remember, is 14%.
And for those who haven't seen it, watch Enzo's video on how to buy pasta and you'll
Yes.
know what we're talking about. The
And-
link will be below in the description box.
Yes. We need parsley, garlic. I cut 2 cloves of garlic into 2. Pecorino, we said. Lemon, chili, olive oil,
Extra virgin.
always extra virgin olive oil, salt, and the secret ingredient.
I think we really must do a video on why use extra virgin olive oil. It's not because you're a cooking snob, it's for health reasons.
And I go to the secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is actually breadcrumbs, but they're to be prepared. So we go to toast them in a traditional way. The first thing to do is to light the stove. Then I pour the breadcrumbs in the pan, and I'm going to toast them. I have to make sure that I don't burn them. So start with this. Now it's getting a bit golden brown, so probably need another few seconds.
It suddenly turns, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
don't take your eye off it.
Okay, I stop here, turn it off, and I'm going to put the bread in this plate. Put some olive oil here, around a tablespoon. I'm adding a clove of garlic, half a clove. I'm going to turn the heat on again. Low heat, no burn anything. I'm going to put the breadcrumbs that I toasted before. And look at the color. Ready. If you want, you can add a pinch of salt. Now, the reason why they make this bread like that, because it's a perfect replacement for, strange enough, for Parmigiano. So they use these breadcrumbs on everything. So they in Sicily go on the pasta and so many dishes. The typical one is a sarde a beccatito or even pasta con le sarde. So it is a wonderful cheap ingredient and adds a lot of flavor to your dish. Now I'm going to put all this beautiful ingredient in the plate so it can cool down. And now I prepared the condimento for the pasta, the sauce. I'm going to put some water on here with salt, and while we prepare these things, the water gets to the boiling point. The first thing is to pour olive oil in this bowl. So we need probably a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add the parsley, not all of it, because we need some on the top when we complete the dish. So this is enough here. Then we need the garlic. I'm going to chop in smaller pieces. Then chili. Now depends how hot you want it. Let's say that this is a big chili here. We get some at the end here. I want to remove the seeds. There are very many here. And we need a few drops of them, not too much. That's plenty. And I'm going to mix it. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm creating now an infusion. In the traditional recipe, don't put the tomato all the time, but some people do. And now big Sicilian cooks, they also add it. So the water is boiling. I'm going to remove the lid. I'm going to put pasta in. And they say 10-12 minutes, so we got to do 10 minutes because we like it al dente.
And I think a nice thing about Italy is that people on the way home from work, if their partner's at home, they ring up sort of 10 minutes before getting home and say, "Butta la pasta."
Butta la pasta. So you get home and you got a hot plate of pasta. The pasta is ready, so now I'm going to put it in the emulsion that I prepared before. Okay, now I'm mixing the pasta with the emulsion. I'm going to add some pecorino, and I'm going to add also a bit of pasta water, and I keep mixing it. More pecorino. And I like to add some olive oil to finish it off. And now impiattiamo, put it in the plate. I'm going to add pecorino on the top. The secret ingredient, Muddica atturrata. More parsley. And tomatoes. Buon appetito!
You want me to try it? I'm very hungry. So. It's delicious, and that chili just gives it that touch of interest. Garlicky, pomodoro, and the breadcrumbs.
Muddica atturrata.
Whatever you want to call it.
I call it in Sicilian.
It really does make it a very special dish, and pretty cheap dish, even if pasta has gone up in price.
But not too much. Ciao ciao.
Ciao ciao and buon appetito.
Do you even have to walk on the walls?
Well, it's not quite so hot, so one can go out in the day and have a bit of exercise.
Yeah, we've been working in front of the screen for long hours, so we need to breathe fresh air and move.
Not sure fresh is quite right. It's a bit hot to be fresh.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. You just need a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.